Hi, it's Chef Harry again. Hopefully you're well on your way. You've done your hand washing and you've also done your carrots by now. You're starting to put your journal together and you're looking now for your hero. So the hero that you're looking for, it may be your parents, it may be your friends or family, brother or sister. Who is it who's your hero? It's the one that who do you want to be like? Maybe a footballer, could be a dancer, musician, maybe your school teacher, maybe your head teacher, you never know. Who is it who you really want to be like? So once you've found your hero, then you've got to do a bit of research. So you've got to find out what they like to eat, the country they come from, were they born up north in Fleetwood, were they born down south in London. Try and find out the food that comes from those regions. Or are they French? Are they German? Find out a little bit about where they come from. And that will help you put your meal together. And one of the first things that I would do if I was putting this competition and this class together and doing a meal is I'd pick my protein first and then I'd build my meal around it. So maybe that you've gone for some fish or chicken or a little piece of lamb. Once you first got your protein, think about how you're going to cook it. So a nice piece of fish you could do with frying. So in a shallow pan with a little bit of oil in, making sure that you put your fish in, always put the fish away from you so you don't splash yourself. So that's shallow frying. Maybe that you could grill it, put a little bit of butter or oil on it and put it underneath the grill. So we've now got frying and we've now got grilling. You could actually get a little bit of fish on a tray, a little bit of butter and put it into the oven. So you could bake it. So we've got frying, we've got grilling and we've got baking. I think those will be the three main areas that you'll be working. But when it comes to the accompaniments with the fish or the chicken, it may be some vegetables or some potatoes and you may have to boil them. So that'll be a pan with some water in and you put the vegetables in and boil it. That's boiling. So we've got frying, grilling, baking and boiling. I think those will be the areas that you'll be key on. And we're going to have the opportunity to have a Skype with each other and if you need to know any more about it, I'm more than happy to let you know.